A very good morning, all. Now, today we are going to do the third chapter of your supplementary reader, The Midnight Visitor, written by Robert Arthur. It is a very interesting chapter and full of humor, wit, adventure, everything you'll get there. So, this is the main story about the three main characters of the story are Ossible, second is Fowler, and Max. Ossible is a secret agent. Fowler is a writer who happens to meet Ossible, and Max is another secret agent. The story is about a secret agent, Ossible, who has spent an evening with a writer named Fowler, who had expected that as he would be meeting a secret agent, he would be looking into a lot of adventure. But instead, he rather gets bored when he meets Ossible, as the things that happened were exactly the opposite of what he had imagined. Now, how Ossible gets rid of his unexpected guest? The unexpected guest here is Max, which proves his expertise as a secret agent. Now, let's coming to the story. The story is about the witty secret agent, that is Ossible. He was with a writer named Fowler standing behind him. Throughout the evening, as Fowler was interested in spending time with secret agent, but when he spends time with Ossible, he realizes that he is exactly the opposite of what he had imagined, and that he was a bore. He thought that the secret agents would be fit, slim, but Ossible was just opposite of what he has read in the books. Ossible then told Fowler that he had been thinking wrong and that soon he would be looking at a report that would change the country's future. Now, Ossible was expecting some secret report about some missiles, and he told Fowler that I am waiting for that and let's move to our room. Then Ossible takes Fowler to his room, which was on the 6th floor, that was the topmost floor of the French hotel. Although Ossible has spent 20 years in Paris, but still his accent was quite American. He was able to speak French and German also. Then Ossible takes Fowler to his room, and when they entered the room, a guy with a gun named Max was standing in the room. Now, here in the picture, you could see that Max is standing there. He asked them to be comfortable until the reports about the missiles arrived in 30 minutes, as he was there to steal the reports. He has come to take those secret reports. Now, this was the first adventure out of many that Fowler had expected when he had thought of meeting a secret agent. While they were talking, Ossible started with a story about how a guy had entered from the balcony last month below his room. Now, he started telling that I'm going to complain to the hotel management. How, Max, you have entered my room? Last month also this happened. One person from here, the balcony, has entered the room. Ossible said that it must be the police. While they were talking, now while this talk was going on, a sudden knock was heard at the door. Ossible said that it must be the police, as he wanted them to check on him after some time, because he wanted to make the reports that were coming in extra secure. He wanted that the police should just keep on checking on him, that nobody steals the report, as they were very important for the country. Now, Max, pointing the gun towards them, said that he would be waiting in the balcony and that Ossible should send away the police, otherwise he would shoot them and even take the risk of being caught by the police. He warned them. He said that I am going here to the balcony and you should just tell the police that everything is okay and they should leave. Otherwise, I am going to shoot you. Even if I am caught, I won't mind that. Now, the door opens. Now, before that, what happens? That Ossible, as the doorknob is turned, when Ossible opened the door, Max jumps out of the window here and a loud scream is heard. See, he is going out of the window, and then Oswald, both Oswald and Fowler heard a loud scream. What was that? Actually, Oswald had told a lie. There was no such balcony. When Max jumped out of the floor, out of the window, he must have fallen down and died. The door opens and a waiter comes in and says that he has brought the wine that Mr. Oswald had ordered. He keeps the bottle, tray, and glasses on the table and leaves. Fowler is surprised and asks him about the police, to which Oswald replied that there was no police. Then Fowler asked what about the person who was waiting in the balcony outside the window, to which Oswald replied that the person would not return and there was no balcony there. This shows the quick wit of Oswald, as he took the advantage of the situation and made Max nervous, due to which he jumped out of the window without thinking and looking out that whether there was a balcony or not. He had jumped from the top floor of the hotel and would have possibly died. This is how Oswald outwitted Max and saved himself from a very dangerous situation. And this proves that Oswald was very intelligent, though he was fat, but he had all the qualities of a secret agent. I hope the lesson is very clear to you all. Hope to meet you with the next topic again.